For years, the answer was always the Glock 19. Best carry pistol, Glock 19. Best do-it-all pistol, Glock 19. But if you could only own one handgun, it was the Glock 19. This happened. And honestly, I think this gun changed the concealed carry world more than a lot of people realized. Because after carrying both of these for years, I think most people are asking the wrong questions entirely. Welcome back to Glockaholic76. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video at the end, hit the like button. It helps us get seen by more people just like you. Today, we're going to break down the Glock 43X versus the Glock 19 and whether the 43X quietly became the gun most people should actually be carrying. Most people online still automatically recommend the Glock 19. And honestly, there's a reason for that. It's reliable, it's balanced, it's easy to shoot, it's large enough to fight with, and it's small enough for a lot of us to conceal. It's become the benchmark, but then concealed carry culture kind of changed. People started carrying for longer hours. Appendix carry exploded. Comfort became part of the conversation when it usually was. If you didn't feel it, there was a problem when you were carrying a pistol. But suddenly, a thinner gun mattered more than I think most people expected. And later in this video, I'm going to tell you the exact moment when I realized the Glock 43X might actually make more sense than the Glock 19. I bought the Glock 19 because everybody eventually buys a Glock 19. It's almost a rite of passage at this point, and honestly, it deserves the reputation. At first glance, I thought the Glock 43X was basically just a smaller, compromised Glock. Less capable, less shootable, less serious, but after carrying it consistently, I think that changed. The Glock 43X, it does disappear, especially compared to the Glock 19. And that kind of changed things. And it matters because the gun you actually carry beats any gun sitting in your safe or you leave at home. Also, something the internet doesn't talk about enough. Some people go back to the Glock 19 after buying a 43X. The Glock 19 dominated during an era where most people carried outside the waistband, larger clothing, or just a traditional strong side holster. But the Glock 43X arrived right as that appendix carry era, we'll say, exploded. And that timing mattered. And once the new OEM style Glock 15 round magazine option entered the conversation, I think the entire carry market is shifting because suddenly people started asking, wait, if I can get a Glock 19 capacity in something thinner, why am I carrying this thicker, heavier pistol all of the time? In a few minutes, I'm going to explain why that argument is definitely not as simple as some people may think. Quickly hitting on the basics of these two. Your Glock 19, it's 15 plus 1 capacity in your standard size magazine. It's got a 4.02 inch barrel, got a wider double stack frame, and it's approximately a little under 24 ounces unloaded. The Glock 43X originally came with your 10 round magazines. Excuse the rail on here from my Mantis dry fryer training. But it came with your 10 round magazines, but now it comes with your 15 round magazines. And it has that slimline frame, and it's has a 3.41 inch barrel, which is a little shorter than a Glock 19. But this approximately is about 19 ounces unloaded. And then same thing, has an MOS version on this. I have the Osight SE direct mounted. Also on the 19, in case you're interested, I have the SCS MOS. This is a green dot direct mounted to the Glock 19. But the specs don't explain why I think this debate has become emotional. On the Glock 19, it just feels fuller, more planted. And the Glock 43X, I mean, it feels faster and more comfortable. I have a whole grip on my 43X because this is just almost too thin for me to shoot comfortably and be able to hold my grip. Obviously, everybody's hand sizes are different, but for me, I just needed a little bit more thickness here, and the grip tape wasn't going to cut it on this particular firearm, so that's what I went with. Both platforms benefit massively from optics. The triggers, they're your typical Glock trigger. This is an Apex trigger I dropped in. Slimmer slide on the Glock 43X makes it feel more, I think, modern somehow. And the Glock 19, it still feels aggressive during reloads and just overall manipulation. The Glock 19 feels like a fighting pistol compared to your 43X. It feels purpose-built, where the 43X built for more modern concealed carry, where people usually realize they've been comparing the wrong things on these pistols. These two pistols serve completely different purposes. Both are your classic Glock quality. You're simple, reliable, and durable, but they solve different problems. The recoil on the Glock 19 at the range, there's just no debate. It just shoots softer, at longer distances, tighter groups. The extra weight and width, I think, helps with that. Both are definitely more accurate than most shooters can shoot. Under speed, the Glock 19, I feel, runs more aggressively. I feel it's easier to manipulate. It's got a little bit larger slide. Shootability of these two, well, I think that's where it gets a little bit complicated. At the range, I think the Glock 19 wins, but the Glock 43X wins when it comes to real life. Those aren't always the same thing. One week where I carried the Glock 19 again, full time, and something immediately stood out. The biggest pro on the Glock 19, it's still the best all-around shooting experience in the Glock platform. Now, the Glock 43X, I think comfort does change a lot of things, and that thickness on the 19, it adds up on those long carry days, especially if you have an optic and you want to run a light on it. By the end of the day, you're ready to put this away and take it off, where sometimes the Glock 43X, I'll carry this pistol, I'll come home and forget it's still carrying it around the house. There's going to be more recoil, and this is definitely going to be less forgiving under speed. When I say more recoil, there's a lot of talk about the snappiness. I wouldn't say this is a snappy pistol. It does what it's supposed to do. It's not going to fly out of your hands. You feel it more. Is that considered snappy? You be the judge, but definitely not a hard shooting pistol. You're not shooting, if you were shooting a 10 millimeter out of a pistol this size, that would be snappy. But the Glock 43X definitely does not replace the Glock 19 because it's better. It replaces, I think, for many people, because it's just the modern carry necessities and the priorities have changed. I think that's different. And honestly, that's why the debate has become so emotional. Would I trust carrying the Glock 19? Of course, absolutely. It's still one of the greatest handguns ever made. Do I trust carrying the Glock 43X? Yes, and honestly, because of the thinner profile, and now you have the addition of the 15-round magazines, daily comfort does matter a lot more than people would like to admit. If I'm prioritizing shooting, you got to go with the Glock 19. Realistic everyday carry, well, the Glock 43X becomes very, very hard to ignore. That's why this video matters. It's really a matter of, you have two great pistols, king of carry pistols, probably all around the world, and now you have its younger brother or younger sister coming into the market, much more comfortable, much more easy to carry, and it's the gun that you have on you that matters. So if you're not going to bring a Glock 19 with you everywhere because, hey, it's not going to be comfortable in my gym shorts, and you're willing to grab the Glock 43X, then the Glock 43X is your pistol of choice. If you found this video helpful and you want to see more Glockaholic 76, I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments, and I'd love to have you as a subscriber. And if you like this video, like it. If you didn't, don't. But what I really want to hear in the comments, has the Glock 43X replaced the Glock 19 for you? Or do you think the Glock 19 is still king? As always, I appreciate you watching my videos. Train smart, shoot often, stay ready. Glockaholic 76. Talk to you soon.